Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can actually make your header sticky inside of your WordPress website. So first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open the dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. Right after you do so, this page will be opened for you, or else a page that will ask you for your username or email address, and then your password. Right after you put your informations, this page will be opened for you. So now what we need to do is go to plugins, and from plugins we click on add new. So from here guys, we make something like a sticky menu, and here we choose this one, so floating notification bar, sticky menu, or scroll. So now we click on download and we wait for it. So if you have downloaded it, you have to wait until this button of activate will appear for you. Right after it appears for you, you have to click on it and activate it. Now this page will be opened, so you can here sign up for it, or click on no, I will do it later. Now in order to make our sticky menu, what I will need you to do guys is go to the sticky menu settings. So from here guys, you go down and here you choose what type of menu do you want it to be sticky. So for us, we will need the main menu, so we click on the main menu. Here we can add any other stuff that you want to add it to it, but yeah, by the end we click on save. So save, and now we go to our website. So as you can see now, the website is not really the menu is not really sticky. So why that? Let's check if the menu, what is the current menu this is currently using. So we have two menus in here, we need to remove one. So let's remove this one from here and delete. And yeah, after that let's add it to everything. Okay, and let's add it on every single device. So now we click on publish, and let's go back to our plugin. So let's go back in here with sticky menu and sticky menu settings. Now we choose this and let's make it sticky. Anyway, back to you guys. So the thing is, you will need to check this bar in here. So for order to make it work, you will need to check this bar in here, simply that. If it doesn't work, make sure that you have selected the correct menu and then check this bar in here. Right after that, click on save, and then your menu will be sticky on your website. So hey guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.